Welcome to Naveen Tech Hub. In this video, we are going to understand the Unsloth framework and how it helps us fine-tune large language models faster on consumer GPUs. We will also see how Unsloth works with popular models like Llama, Qwen, Gemma, and other open-source LLMs. Pre-developed LLMs are very powerful, but they are generic. They know a little bit about many topics, but they may not be experts in our specific business domain. Fine-tuning helps us add domain-specific knowledge, like healthcare, telecom, coding assistance, or enterprise search, so the model can respond more accurately for real-world use cases. Traditional fine-tuning is expensive and difficult. Large models can require massive GPU memory, enterprise-grade hardware, and long training times. For example, training an 8 billion parameter model using full fine-tuning can easily exceed normal consumer GPU limits. This is where optimized fine-tuning frameworks become very useful. Unsloth is an open-source framework designed to make LLM fine-tuning faster and more memory efficient. It rewrites core model operations using optimized Triton kernels. Because of this, training becomes faster, memory usage becomes lower, and setup becomes easier in platforms like Google Colab, Kaggle, or local machines.
Unsloth has gained massive popularity by enabling powerful training on standard consumer GPUs. For example, when training Llama 3.1, Unsloth is 2.8 times faster, uses 70% less memory, and runs on hardware as accessible as an RTX 3080.
The workflow starts with a raw dataset, usually in JSON or CSV format. Then we load the data into the Unsloth framework, apply LoRA or QLoRA adapters, train the model, and finally export the fine-tuned model. The exported model can then be used through Ollama, LLM, or Hugging Face.
Unsloth supports many popular transformer models and mixture of experts architectures. This includes Meta Llama models, Alibaba Qwen models, Google Gemma models, Mistral models, Microsoft Phi models, DeepSeek models, vision language models, and code models. So Unsloth is not limited to one model family.
Internally, fine-tuning follows a clear pipeline. First, the user dataset is tokenized. Then, quantization compresses the model, usually to 4-bit. Next, LoRA adapters are attached, and Unsloth performs optimized training using Triton kernels. Finally, we get a fine-tuned model ready for practical use. Low-range adaptation. Instead of training all model parameters, we freeze most of the pre-trained model and add a small trainable adapter layer. This keeps training fast, cheap, and safe. It also helps prevent catastrophic forgetting because the base model knowledge is preserved.
QLoRA stands for quantized LoRA. The main idea is to shrink the memory footprint by compressing the frozen model weights, commonly from 16-bit precision down to 4-bit precision. This allows large models to fit into smaller GPUs while still keeping high-quality fine-tuning results. Installing Unsloth is simple. In most cases, we can use a pip install command. It can run on local environments, Google Colab, or Kaggle notebooks. This makes it very beginner-friendly because we don't always need enterprise GPU infrastructure to start experimenting.
The first Unsloth program usually starts by importing the fast language model class. This class behaves similarly to standard Hugging Face model loading, but internally it applies Triton-based optimizations. Once imported successfully, we are ready to load and fine-tune supported LLMs. To load the base model, we use the FromPretrained method. Here, we specify the model name, context length, and whether we want 4-bit loading. The 4-bit option is very important because it immediately reduces memory usage and makes the model easier to train on smaller GPUs. Developing a quality supervising dataset is the first critical step in fine-tuning. Carefully curating examples showcase the desired behavior, and structured long-form answers are essential for optimizing your model. A complete fine-tuning script usually has 5 major steps. First, we load the model. Second, we set up LoRA. Third, we map the dataset into the required format. Fourth, we train using an SFT trainer. Finally, we save or export the fine-tuned model for deployment. Fine-tuning is very useful in enterprise scenarios where generic RAG pipelines may not be enough. In healthcare, it can help with precise clinical or policy answers. In telecom, it can understand support logs. In banking, it can learn compliance language. In customer support, it can match a company's exact tone and brand voice. Compared with standard Hugging Face training, Unsloth focuses on speed, lower memory usage, and easier setup. Hugging Face is very flexible and powerful, but Unsloth makes the fine-tuning process more practical for smaller GPUs. For many instruction fine-tuning use cases, Unsloth gives a faster and more lightweight workflow. After fine-tuning, the model can be exported into a GGUF format. This allows us to run the model locally using Llama or similar tools. Once the model is loaded into a local server, we can expose it through an API and connect it to an enterprise chatbot or application. There are a few common mistakes to avoid. Do not train until the loss becomes 0, because that usually means overfitting. Do not jump directly into full fine-tuning. Start with QLoRA first. Also, for supervised fine-tuning, use a standard learning rate instead of very small RLHF-style learning rates.
To master fine-tuning, follow a step-by-step roadmap. Start with the basics of LLM architecture, then understand LoRA mathematics. Next, practice hands-on QLoRA fine-tuning. After that, learn custom dataset preparation, vision fine-tuning, and advanced topics like RLHF and GRPO.
To summarize, LoRA helps us fine-tune LLMs faster and with less GPU memory. LoRA trains only a small percentage of model weights, while QLoRA compresses large models so they can run on consumer GPUs. In the next video, we can go hands-on and fine-tune a model step-by-step using Unsloth. This is Naveen Tech Hub. Subscribe for daily AI engineering tutorials.